This is a short movie about Steve. Steve always wanted to cross that mountain, but he was afraid. Finally, he decided to give it a go. He tried once, he fell. He again tried again and again. He again falls down, and something is burning. He can feel it and he's starting to fly. Till today, he never knew he could fly. And see, that has changed his life. He could fly now. It's good. I fell. If not, I would have never discovered that. It was hidden inside me. That's how opportunities just come when you fail. Sometimes you have to just try it. He's enjoying the flight. He's enjoying it in the real world. So just go out there, experiment, fail, and discover your inner strength. So it's just that. That was a great first ride for him. Please let me know if you like this in the comment section below. Every fall is an opportunity to discover new strengths which is hidden inside you. Just go out there, explore. So get up, my dear friends, try something different today. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, comment.